CAWS is an education company that creates online content, courses and curriculums specific to the needs of the fitness sector workforce. Head up by Dr. Cole Robertson and industry professional Mel Spooner, the company philosophy is to draw upon the core principles of elite sport, sports science and medicine and apply them to the education needs of commercial fitness. CAWS launched this fall, released their first 3 online education programs for trainers and coaches in October. Their flagship course, Rebuild, teaches trainers and coaches how to rehabilitate their members and clients from COVID-19 in the gym or at home. The CAWS Club membership provides access to all CAWS courses for any club and up to 15 of its coaches for less than $150 a month. Courses are updated monthly as new content and research emerges and as we continue to adapt to change as a sector. CAWS members can access courses online, anywhere, anytime, and for as little as 30 days at trainwithcaws.com. And until December 15, clubs can receive 20% off all CAWS club memberships using code CLUBINDUSTRY2020. A contribution from every monthly membership is reserved to fund projects for vulnerable groups and rebuilding the fitness industry. In this podcast-style session, recorded especially for Club Industry, Dr. Cole and Mel break down the reality of COVID-19. What does COVID-19 really look like? And what role does the club industry really play in the global recovery from COVID-19? Together with the support of key strategic partners, CAWS is facilitating collaboration between clubs, coaches and healthcare providers to rehabilitate members and clients from COVID-19 and help those known as long haulers to recover. In this session, Cole and Mel will share the specifics for how this demographic will grow and what you can be doing now to welcome this population and new business into your facilities and help restate our position as a sector. As a heads up, CAWS receives tons of questions around COVID-19 and in particular around transmission during exercise and the use of face coverings. Look out for the YouTube link where you can pick up answers to these FAQs too, anytime you need, right after this session.